Hey everybody, welcome back to my habitat. Today we have a really fun video. I get to redesign this pot for the fall season. It's held up beautifully, although the coleus is starting to look a little drab, but I don't blame it. It's a huge plant now, and it's getting probably a little bit too big with everything in here. So we're taking that out, taking pretty much everything out except for the sweet alyssum here at the front, which is just starting to reflower with all of the cooler weather that's coming in. So we're gonna get started on that right now. Let's get started. Two perennials. I have this, I believe it is a black pearl heuchera right here, looking still gorgeous, and a very, very ratty blue salvia. It is a perennial, this variety, but it's definitely looking ratty. It needs to be cleaned up. Two pots to put them in, and then in another video coming up in the next few weeks, you're going to see me plant these out in my front garden. Now it's time for my favorite part of this video, and that is the plants I get to plant today. Number one is this gorgeous purple fountain grass, and it's just loaded with, I believe they're called fronds, I could be wrong. If you know the actual proper term and it's not fronds, let me know in the comments. But this one is loaded with these little furry tails. Of course I have to put in a giant ornamental kale. I love this time of year simply because of this plant. It's gorgeous. I could talk probably all day about it, especially with the ones that are either white or pink in the centers. I think they're just breathtaking. And they're hardy. Like, nothing's gonna destroy this, except for bugs. Bugs can destroy this. Bugs will devour this. But we're gonna work hard to make sure that doesn't happen. Jade Princess Millet. I have two of them. I love the combination of the light green of these with the purple fountain grass. I think it's gorgeous. And to fill in and to kind of stick with the purple theme that we kind of have, I just have some gorgeous pansies because, you know, you have to throw in pansies. Let's get planting. I love how this turned out. I'm in love with the rosette of the kale right up in the front. You know, it fits with all the other greenery. It pops out because of the beautiful, which to me personally seems like a glowing center of purple. I'm not sure how you guys feel about ornamental kales and cabbages, but love it. And then of course the little scattering of pansies and the grasses in the back. We did also put in this chunk of wood right here, just a little piece that we had laying around, and we thought, you know what, it'd be really beautiful, bring a little bit of a natural element into this. And you know what, I love this. It's simple, it's not necessarily really, you know, blasted with color, but I love all the textures that I was able to work into this. And I'm just so happy. And I want to thank you guys for coming along with me today and helping me with this beautiful design. So thank you. Till next time, stay planting.